In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change opacity of background image in Wix. To begin, open your Wix editor and look to the left side of the screen. In the sidebar, find the site design icon. It appears as a diamond-shaped symbol. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where Wix lets you control the overall visual style of your site, including background settings, colors, and other design elements that affect the look of your pages. Once you are inside site design, look for the active preview thumbnail that shows your current background image layout. Move your cursor over that preview area. As you hover, you should see a settings option appear. Click the settings button to open the image configuration panel. This is where you can adjust how the background image displays across your site. Inside the settings window, look for the area labeled opacity and color. This is the control section that lets you manage how transparent or solid your background image appears. Lower opacity makes the image lighter and more transparent, which can help text stand out better on top of it. Higher opacity makes the image appear stronger and more visible. Choosing the right level depends on how subtle or bold you want the background to look. Now adjust the opacity using the slider. You can drag the handle left or right to decrease or increase the percentage. As you move it, you will usually see the preview update, so you can judge the effect right away. If you want a more exact result, you can also click into the percentage box and type in your target value manually. This is useful if you already know the exact transparency level you want to use. Take a moment here to review the background in the preview. Make sure the image still looks good and that any content placed over it remains easy to read. A small opacity change can make a big difference in the overall feel of the page, so it is worth checking carefully before saving. When you are happy with the result, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the blue Publish button. This saves your updated background transparency settings and pushes the change live online, so visitors will see the new version of your site. That covers everything you need to know.